How to fix this account is pending suspension, the first Descendant. Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm going to teach you some of the methods in order to fix this account is pending suspension error in the first Descendant game. So in order to fix it, the first thing that you need to do is you need to simply check for local saves and then you need to just restore them. You need to locate your saved files. So depending on the platform, whether it is PC or console, your game may have local save files. On a PC, these are often found in the game's installation directory or within your user profile under documents or app data. You need to make sure that the saved files haven't been corrupted, so you need to check for the backups if available. If you have a backup of your saved files, then you need to replace the current save files with the backup. For PC, you can copy and paste the backup files into the original save files location. After restoring your save files, you just have to restart the game and check if your progress is restored. Then in the second method, you can try contacting to the support for further assistance. So you just have to gather information, prepare details about your issue, including platform like PC, PS5 or Xbox, a description of the problem and any relevant screenshots or error messages. Then you need to go to the official website or the support page of the first Descendant, look for the support or the help section. Find the option to submit a support ticket or contact customer service. You need to provide all gathered information and describe your issue clearly. Then you need to monitor your email and support account for responses from the support team. They may provide specific instructions to recover lost progress and resolve the issue. So these are some of the instructions that you can follow in order to fix the lost progress in the first Descendant issue. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.